Today I want to show you one of the hygiene systems that I use while face painting at events. Now, hygiene is really important in face painting because kids are excited, they're close together, they have no sense of personal space, and colds and flus can spread very, very easily. So having good brush hygiene and a cleaning routine on the job is absolutely essential. What you'll need is a water bucket or water well with three compartments. This is the one that I use. It has three compartments here for separate pools of water. One of these compartments, they have ridges at the bottom, as you can see, which is great for cleaning brushes. So when you're cleaning the brushes, so you don't disrupt the bristles, you really want to just bring it on top of those ridges, and you just want to sort of go back and forth, back and forth. This is brilliant. I've actually had this one for many years, so I'm not too sure what brand it is or where to buy it now, because I can't see them online anywhere. However, there are round versions on Temu that you can buy. They're art brushes. There is a purple one out in the market, which I believe has the three compartments. But if you Google face paint water bucket, you'll see a few different ones available online. You will also need a natural liquid soap. So I use Silly Farms brush bath. That seems to work well for me. I've just always used it, but you can use a natural liquid soap that won't irritate skin, obviously, so it needs to be natural. I also recommend keeping, say, 2 to 3 small bottles of water in your kit bag so that you can keep refreshing your water throughout the event that you're face painting at. So before starting, fill the three compartments up with water, then add 1 to 2 drops of liquid soap into the first compartment where the ridges are. So what happens here is once you finish painting a face, you take that brush and gently run the bristles up and down along the ridges in the first compartment here. This breaks up and removes the paint while keeping the bristles nice and intact. All right, so you don't want to scrub too hard because that can damage your brushes over time and disrupt these bristles. You just want to move up and down through the bristles, loosen that paint up. Then move on to the second compartment to rinse the soap off the brush. So you want to rinse that soap off. And then finally you have the third compartment to dip into the water before reloading your brush with fresh paint for the next child. It's a really simple system, but it really helps keep hygiene and keeps your paints cleaner, your brushes in a better condition, and your hygiene standards professional while working quickly at busy events. At first, it may seem like overkill. You've got to go here, go there. However, in the long run, your brushes will last longer, and it's just so much more professional for events. I hope this helped you and you got something out of this. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. Comment below. I'm happy to help. And if you're new to face painting, make sure you check out my online face painting course at letspaint.tv, where I take you through from basics right to advanced, and also starting your face painting business training. So make sure you check it out, letspaint.tv. Otherwise, comment below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching. Happy painting.